Hey everybody, welcome back. My name's Sarah. Today we are putting together my 3 girls Easter baskets. I actually was not planning on doing this yet. It was actually the furthest thing from my mind, but I walked into Dollar Tree like 2 days ago to pick up a few other things, and bam, Easter is like right there in my face. Everything at the Dollar Tree is fully stocked. And it hit me, I need to go ahead and get the stuff for their baskets now because in like a week or two, everything will be picked over. So I'm going to go ahead and show y'all what I got. I have 3 girls, my 2 older bonus girls, 11 and 10, and then I have a 1.5-year-old. So I felt like I was able to get age appropriate things and it was super easy and super cheap. So I'm gonna show y'all what I got and then y'all can help me build their Easter basket. So I thought that would be fun. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and start with the older girls' baskets. So I'm gonna show y'all the baskets and then everything I'm gonna put inside. So they had at the Dollar Tree, it's a pretty large basket, so you can fit lots of goodies. I got this pink color, and then I also got like a teal, and they each have the fun little ribbon to add a little pop of color. So these are the baskets I'll put all the goodies in for the older girls. Did pick up, I only got 2 things of Easter grass because I figured between the 3 baskets I wouldn't need a ton of it. And there's actually a lot that comes in there, so I figured this should be plenty. So I got 2 different colors, the pink and like the greenish color. I got them each this little, it's reusable modeling foam beads, and I was surprised to see that they had these. So this is the M&M's brand of the Easter eggs. So I got 2 of these. I also got each of them the Junior Mints. It's a nice big box of the Junior Mints eggs. And I didn't get them little stuffed animals or stuffed little bunnies. I got them each sparkly ears, and I thought these were cute. With the sequins, they, cause you know how kids, they just get so many stuffed animals, and I know they just each got one for Valentine's Day. So I figured to mix things up, I would just do the Easter ears for the girls. And I thought these were fun. It's little eggs that have Skittles in them. And you can't have an Easter basket without a chocolate bunny. So this guy is pretty big. It's almost as big as my head. So I got them each a chocolate bunny. And of course we can't forget what Easter is all about. It's about Jesus, our Savior. So I got them each these cross-shaped chocolates, and it says, "May His light shine upon you." They had a 2-pack of these notepads. So I just got 1 for $1, and I'm gonna give 1 to each girl. And then they had these glitter putties that I thought were super fun. And to go with the notepads, they have these little pack of pens. So I will break them up and put a couple of each little design in their Easter basket to go along with their little notepad. And because they're a little bit older girls, I did find these. It's the LA Colors, the lip balms. They look like little macaroons. I don't know if you can see it, but I just thought these were so adorable and so fun, so I got them each. This one is like a berry, and then this one's grape. I also got them this. I thought this was really fun and interesting. It's just jelly bean flavored cotton candy. And then, of course, Peeps. I found these 2 fun flavors. They had party cake and cotton candy. Okay, so that was it for the older girls. Now on to Reese's basket. She's only a 1.5 years, so I really couldn't do too much for her, but this is her basket. And I feel like it's a good size, and it has the little handle for if she wants to carry it around. Now because she is little, I did get her a little stuffed bunny. And I got her some ears. I figured we could get some pictures with these. And I don't know if she'll really be able to eat this yet, or maybe I can break off little teeny pieces for her, but I did get her a little chocolate bunny because you have to have a chocolate bunny. I picked up some purple Peeps to put in her basket. Now, she's not old enough to play with this on her own yet, but it's just one of those little toys that we can play with her. And it's one of those little toys that you crank and then it like hops and jumps. So I was trying really hard to film this before Reese woke up from her nap, but she just woke up. So I'm gonna have to take a quick break, get her situated, and then I'm gonna move all of this to the kitchen table so that way I can put together the Easter baskets without her being all in the middle of it. So I will be right back. Alright you guys, well that's it for today's video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe if you're new. I would love for you to join my YouTube family. And I hope that y'all enjoyed this video and got some fun, cute, really cheap ideas for Easter baskets from the Dollar Tree. And just remember, even though I have girls, if you have boys, you can always add some like fun little boy things in there like trucks or cars or whatever too. So but at least this kind of gives you an idea. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video and I will see y'all next time. Bye!